Alright, you guys, welcome back to Nightmare Garage, and today I'm going to show you guys how to do a real burnout in a stick shift car. None of that, okay? So, we're going to be starting off in third gear, and we're going to be ripping it. So first what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your car, bring it out to a spot, do a burnout. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to push in the clutch, put it in the gear that you want, rev it up real good and high, and then drop the clutch as fast as you can. If you just kind of ease it out, you're just going to burn out your clutch. It's going to smoke the clutch. So we're going to go ahead and get this burnout going and get ready to roll. So I got my brother pouring a puddle for me so that I don't hurt nothing. Use my blind lock to lock up the front tires so I don't roll around. Good? Alright. Burnout like that, they're about to call the fire department. That's how you do a real burnout. You got to start in third gear at least, and then you got to get her up in the RPM, dump the clutch, and then you got to let it sit there and build for a little bit. Just get that, RPM in her and get them tires nice and hot. And then you let go of the button and you roll it out as far as you can. And yeah, you got to get out of there before they call the fire department. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And leave me a like, and I'll do some more burnouts like this just for you guys.